Welcome to WAU Portal. In this video, I'll tour you around our Tenant portal. Let's start by logging in. Note that once you install WAU Portal on your Contacts app, all your tenants will have their own login details. Now here comes the fun part. After successfully logging in, your tenants can now see all the Podio info that you want them to see. Cool, right? They can check their release info, download their contracts, they can create maintenance requests, see details of open and completed work orders, check out all your available units, book an appointment with you, see their past and current invoices, update their info, communicate with you real-time via chat, and so much more. Install WAU Portal today and get free 30-day trial. Get WAU Portal by visiting podio.com/extensions.